Welcome to Soccer 360. Of course, I'm your host, Ubongani Masilela. And now we are looking at Kaiser Chiefs of who will be the next Kaiser Chiefs coach. And of course, today we are talking to the great one, Obuya Wheatbank, who coach Sibobo from Sibobo Ladies. Coach, how are you? And welcome.
Mr. Bongani ngibingelele nabalaleli bakho.
Let us look back. Kaiser Chiefs, as you know it, Amakhosi Abafana Bokuthula Noxolo. Kaiser Chiefs have been in very, very difficult years in the past. And looking at the past two seasons, they actually had not two coaches, but three coaches. And we have just seen now Khalil Ben Youssef and Cedric Kaze. With the other two, Umzogi, the goalkeeper coach, and of course Usafit, the conditioning coach, they've just left about 5 days ago. So what is your take? Is it a fair take of what has happened, Uguti? Abo coach for a very long time, they take a team to position 3. When last year, under Unabi, they were actually in position 9. Now there are coaches who go on to take them to position 3, and they just let go of those coaches. Was that a fair call?
Mr. Bongani engakusho ukuthi sibonile iKaizer Chiefs isuka from number 9 to number 3. Bukhoji laba uyakhumbula ukuthi bebababeke njengama bukhoji besikhashana. So bayithathile i-team bayibeka lapha ka number 3 manje kule season lena. So mina engakusho ukuthi azange kube fair nje, bekumele babanike i-chance ukuthi babone ukuthi next season angeke ba compete for i-league. So it was not fair at all, and no goalkeeper coach usebenze kahle kakhulu, beka deserve i-chance, but singazi ukuthi management ye-Kaizer Chiefs beseyidecidini, because remember ukuthi kunama manager lapha kunama CEO yonke lento. So maybe already bano coach, so bebalinde ukuthi iphele isizini so that bazo introduce ucoach wabo.
Yeah, njengoba basho, of course, ukuthi basho beze njengabotoliki. So probably that's why babahambisa ngoba abaningi bababiza ngabotoliki. But again, Coach Sibobo, let's look into this before singena to the names. I want to ask you, Kaizer Chiefs, when it looks for the next coach, do they look to need at the experience of the coach? Do they need to look good to coach in Africa? Does this person have an experience or trophies, trophies, or what do they need to look at Mabapega, the new coach? Do they need a local knowledge, which this person should have coached in the PSL? Should have coached a national team? What type of Umuntu Spain based on the Kaizer Chiefs culture? What type of a person must they go for? What type of football should that person be playing?
Mr. Bongani, I think lapho they need coach on experience, coach nje or coach some big teams, coach or onama achievement amaningi. Nangikhuluma ngama achievement ngikhuluma ngama trophy nama tournament nje aba compete kiwo. Siyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs kuke kwaba ma Cup Kings eminyakeni endlule, so iKaizer Chiefs kumele ibuyele kuleso simo ukuze ikhona ukucompete ku PSL. Siyazi ukuthi every season yayiwin i-trophy, bekungapheli isizini iChiefs ingakawinanga i-trophy. So and masibheka beyinabo coach abafana nabo Omshin Otugal, bo Stuart Baxter, labo bo coach mina ngibakhumbula nje ibaba wina ama-trophy, and siyazi ukuthi uBaxter ukusuka kwakhe ila iChiefs yagcina khona ukuwina i-league. So yeah, I think nje they should go for coach on experience, possible coach wa phesheya ngale nje phesheya, not la Africa.
Maybe let's start with these two names, which I doubt that will be possible from Mama reports and based on history with Kaizer Chiefs. The likes of Ernst Middendorf, of course, I doubt that very well, and I will need your comment about that. But let's look into the greatest footballer in South Africa, Ukoje as an attacking coach for Manchester United. Wahamba wawina MTN 8 with Cape Town City. Wakocha Amazulu for the first time took on Amazulu to Champions League, CAF Confederations Cup, and then went on now to coach Kenya, and that is in Benny McCarthy. What's your take of that? If, let's say, Benny McCarthy has to coach Kaizer Chiefs.
Mr. Bongani, mina engakusho ukuthi as for Benny McCarthy, I don't think he is ready ukuthi angacoacha i-Kaizer Chiefs. Remember ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs is one of the team othi ma we-coach ube ne-pressure. So uBenny siyazi ucoachile amaZulu wacoacha nale phesheya ku-Manchester United but as a striker coach ku-Manchester, we remember that. So now Kenya, of which Kenya is a national team, but one of the national team man, like mawukhuluma ngama national team wama football around Africa, Kenya wibalekdeni kakhulu. So therefore, I don't think ukuthi ready for the pressure le pressure le eza nabalandeli be-Kaizer Chiefs, eza nokuba ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs, eza nokuwina ama-trophy for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Because remember ukuthi every tournament oyidlalayo as a Kaizer Chiefs coach, you have to win, because if you don't win it, ama-opponent wakho azoyiwina, then ama-fans wakho azoba all over wena. So yeah, really, I think Benny is not ready for that kind of pressure. So I don't think ukuthi it's the right time ukuthi bangaletha uBenny.
And let's say, and I agree with you, but let's say kuyenzeka uyeza, what do you think ukuthi ama-fans, ama-supporters we-Kaizer Chiefs, because azofila kanjani if, let's say, Kaizer Chiefs nangu yamletha kuBenny, what's going to happen?
If I'm later on board ukuthi azoba coach we-Kaizer Chiefs, we know ukuthi some fans will be happy, but they will be happy while they have lot of expectation. So they will want to go to okay, fine, Coach Benny ufikile, we have to win the league, we have to win M10-8 since bago M10-8. Yes, so my expectation azoba high. So if kungenzeki nako lo, so kuzoba isono ngoBenny, but but I think Kaizer Chiefs fans will be happy. But then kuno coach lo ngitabangayo, but I think igama lakho liphela. Loyo I think somewhere somehow angaba ready for Chiefs. But for Benny, I don't think ukuthi uBenny is ready.
Okay, because I mean, mina nawe coach, we know there are some names esengizwe basho bayawathrowa. Some of them we don't know the coaches. There's a name obathi there's another coach from Belgium, Hein van der Broek. Hein van der Broek waye assistant coach ka Hugo Broos 2017 mabawina AFCON with Hugo Broos Cameroon. Van der Broek, what we know is that right now he won a league with Isimba Tanzania. So experience yakhe, football yakhe yase Africa, it's unayo, wa coach Morocco and all of that. It's a coach that is not known, but he worked under Hugo Broos, that particular coach. I'm not sure if Ugewezwangaye so far coach. Hein van der Broek.
Bengakezwanga ngaye coach, but when you mention igama la Hugo Broos, I think angazi ngithini, but maybe ugood ukuthi ku-building angabuilda i-Kaizer Chiefs, so lapho kuzomele ukuthi banga-expect ukuwina ama-cup nani nje basitshele ukuthi we are building, because siyambona uHugo Broos ukuthi uyabuilda. Ufike kwabuild bafana ngabafana abancane. So I think if ucoach lo waye assistant coach yakhe, so naye maybe unale mkondo ukuthi naye uzofika afuna ukubuilda from scratch. So I don't think it's good for the Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, okay. For umbukeli nje ekhaya, coach Asibobo, let me just put a little bit before siya with the next coach of what achieve in coaching career Han van der Broek owase Belgium. Wawina of course AFCON 2017 waba as a national coach eZambia, wacoacha iSimba FC Tanzania, wawina coach of the season, wacoacha iAsfar Rabat le eceda ukudlala neMamelodi Sundowns le luze kuMamelodi Sundowns right now. eMorocco wacoacha iWydad Casablanca Wydad eMorocco 2023, wacoacha iCR Belouizdad eAlgeria, okwamanje ucoacha eBelgium, and the contract yakhe iyaphela manje. So iKaizer Chiefs could be lucky if bayamthola because icontract yakhe iphela manje June. But then kunelinye igama which I think this Coach Bobo, the history of South African football inezinto eziningi. There was a coach Bobo, owahamba in the semi-final Champions League, CAF Champions League, wahamba washaya Orlando Pirates in 2025, wabuye ku-final washaya Mamelodi Sundowns. This is the coach of Pyramids FC, ebamazi Krunoslav Juricic. Isibongo sakhe uJuricic, Krunoslav, of which was a Croatia, okwamanje ucoacha iPyramids, but ucoachile nase South Korea, so he does have experience as Africa, especially with the Chiefs. I mean, in Orlando Pirates and Sundowns. I don't know what's your take on that, coach. Uyamkhumbula mude ucoach wakhona. Do you remember that, coach?
Yeah, if ubala ukuthi beyacoach Pyramid, uyabona njengathi ama-supporter. We just watch our team ukuthi our team is playing well, so asinaki ngalo ukuthi kwenzakalani. But I think maybe nangambona I can tell ukuthi ngengambona ebenchini ePyramid. But then counting from lokho kuqeda ukusho, what I can say is loyo maybe they can give loyo coach a chance, khombisa ukuthi experience unayo, so angafika Kaizer Chiefs change the way izinto ezenzeka ngakhona, ibuyele Kaizer Chiefs kube ile Kaizer Chiefs le ibisiyazi win ama-cup. So maybe bangake bazame yena lo bani uthe uJerry what lo wase Belgium. So bangazama yena, maybe I think nguye engam-approve for iChiefs for now. Then I think so far approve.
We still have some few names before Sivala, coach. I think 2025 Ngome, there was a coach who was here in South Africa after he was in South Africa for 3 years. This coach, Bamazing a Spanish guitar, he won 5 titles with Orlando Pirates. The coach is, of course, Wahamba Al Ahly, is known by the name of Jose Rivero. Should Chiefs be excited about this coach after Orlando Pirates' hearts were broken? Oguchuya Bashia. I mean, this is someone who won 5 trophies with the Pirates. Of course, but then kune issue ukuthi contract yakhe Sweden iphela ngo 2028, of which the Chiefs will need to buy him out, which we don't know if the Chiefs is willing to do that. What do you take about Jose Rivero?
As for Jose Rivero, Jose was Spain. I think because we are large Nepal as South Africa, so I think Kaizer Chiefs can give him a chance. We are large as South Africa. We are as the pressure corner in South Africa, and since I win a trophy in Orlando Pirates, ngaba good for Kaizer Chiefs. Siyamazi ukuthi uyakhona ukufika change izinto ku team using ama-player lawo akhona currently kuleyo season, like njengayi Kaizer Chiefs iqeda ukuqeda i-season ka-number 3. So I believe ukuthi if Jose came in, he will use ama-player lawa available to build Kaizer Chiefs going forward than ukuthi bathole ucoach ozothi hayi mina ngifuna ama-player amasha. I think Logo will be a process. So I think Jose can use ama-player lawa akhona to build Kaizer Chiefs.
How will that sound? Is it not a bad thing for Orlando Pirates? Ukuthi umuntu abuya. A small comment on that one.
I think it's bad and ama supporters
Coach, let me say this. Let me ask this, or amaqhubu sebawavalile because sebane best coach coach Giraffe, coach maybe comment on that yini abawavalile amaqhubu because angisho uyakhumbula kuno Owadu. So do you think it's okay abasanandaba uthandwa lisekho?
Okay, kona kwamanje bakhohliwe ngoJose. Sikhohliwe ngoJose, it's fine. But what I know ukuthi if Jose abuya eKaizer Chiefs akhona lamaqhubu azovuka, but even avuka kuzoba ukuthi kuyaqhumelwana udani lo muntu enimthathayo vela sanandaba naye sino coach wethu siqeda ukuwina ileague nani. But egcineni they will accept ukuthi hayi ulapha vele uhambile, so anything eyenzakalayo they will have ama-comment vele. If i-Chiefs yawina, Kaizer Chiefs fans will comment, and if i-Pirate i-Chiefs yadliwa, Kaizer Chiefs fans will Pirate fans will comment. So yeah, ekugcineni umsebenzi yes, a coach is semsebenzini. If ama-employer ayakufuna, go there and work, forget about the past and work with the present. Our fans will always be fans. So yeah.
Fans, yes. Coach, before we go to the last two, the big two of which we are busy, the most coach was Chiefs in and out. There are two coaches about Chiefs in and out who are not from South Africa, and those coaches Mushin Etukral no Stuart Baxter. So the ikame mfuna ukulifaka la Stuart Baxter or coach Chiefs guy too, or coach on 2012 to 2015 wawina league at that time, I think twice. That was the last time. And then waphinde wabuya ngo 2021 2022 Chiefs yadliwa Al Ahly, you remember, and he didn't go well with Atazwane. There was that ungazwisisani kahle in his second time at Chiefs. But then Baxter is 72 years of age. What is your take on him?
What I can say ngoBaxa ukuthi wenzile umsebenzi wakhe. I think sometimes when you have done good in a team, I think when you leave, just leave kungakabi nama bad history yabona ama memories bad nani, like njengoba usho ukuthi wahamba awina ileague wabuya wayocoacha i-Chiefs ku final ye-CAF, of which yadliwa i-Chiefs masikhumbula kahle, and azange ashayisane kahle no Atazwane. So those are all bad memories for umuntu obekenze kahle anama good memories ne-Kaizer Chiefs, then wabuya izinto zange zihambe kahle, igama lakhe kanjalo selimoshekile. Because remember ukuthi ama-fans they forget about history, bafuna into yamanje. Baba ku final aku-CAF ba-expect ukuthi bazowina i-CAF. Once you lose that CAF, they won't remember ukuthi wabawinela i-league nani. They forget about those things. They want in their mind. So I don't think ukuthi it's good for ukuthi abuyele ku-Chiefs. So for me now, I don't approve that.
Coach ngiyakuzwa. Before I throw the last name, there's a name engifuna ukulithrow without a question, and I just want your comment ngile gama leli. Coach Manqoba Mngqithi.
As for Coach Manqoba, I don't know ukuthi ngithini. It's a good coach samazi sonke. Remember kahle maka coach i-Golden Arrows ayoshaya i-Ajax 6-0. Coach nje mawumbukela ekudeni coach uzithulele nje, uyihlalela phasi lapha mpela yadlalele. So as for Coach Manqoba Mngqithi, ngicabanga ukuthi it's good for lama team lawa mancane, lawa isithi mancane siyazi ukuthi awekho masekungena groundini ayikho i-team encane, but for mina uCoach Manqoba it's good for lama team lawa amancane than le pressure yalama team lawa isithi makhulu. So I think coach mina on my side, I don't approve. Yes, management can approve, but as for me, I don't approve. I think coach usese right ngale kulama team lawa mancane.
Coach before siya ku the last coach Sibobo uzovumelana nami ukuthi coach Manqoba ube ne Sundowns from 2013 to 2022 but all throughout whether beka assistant or beka head coach or whatever ne Sundowns uwine 8 PSL 8 Yama leagues. Are you saying to me that is not important for a Kaizer Chiefs to need a coach or win 8 league titles or win MTN 8 or win CAF Champions League as a Sundowns Bano Pizzo? Are you saying that that's to you that is not good enough?
Coach, what I can say is the achievement of Coach Manqoba is good, kakhulu futhi. But look at Sundowns. I think after Urulan, I think if Sundowns befuna coach, beyothatha yena as assistant coach with Sundowns. Uhambile uPeter Mosimane, Manqoba still ukhona lapho, akayitholi opportunity.
Yeah.
Then ungenile uCardoso still uManqoba akayitholi opportunity. Then I think even Cardoso can go Sundowns. I don't think ukuthi they can call uManqoba ngithi bathi come and coach. I don't think lokho ingakwenza. So it tell you something ukuthi maybe somewhere somehow ukusebenza ngama-team amakhulu akusiyinto zakhe because siyamazi ukuthi kula mancane he is good but kula amakhulu ngimthembisisi kahle ngereason ukuthi why Sundowns ingamnikezi chance if
so are you saying before siya ku next question are you saying before siya ku the next coach are you saying uManqoba angayibulala iChiefs is that what you are saying if Balethu Manqoba
what I'm trying to say is ucoach Manqoba Mngidi angangena ku-Chiefs but believe me uzoba ulo coach olwela i-top 8 of which nge-Kaizer Chiefs according to me ucoach I mean i-Kaizer Chiefs akusiyi team ongathi kumele kuphela isizini kahle kahle ingana trophy. Siyayazi i-Kaizer Chiefs yakudala every season yayiwina i-trophy. So I don't think ukuthi coach Manqoba Mngidi angafika Kaizer Chiefs awin any trophy at any time. Yes, he can fight for top 8. Yes, siyazi vele ngalama team la manje ugood kuleli top 8 but as for win cup I don't think but yeah.
Yeah. So okay. So according to Coach Sibobo babukele kusho ukuthi u6 is not 6-1 or 6-0 wango we-Ajax Cape Town bekudlala a few years ago but ke asas coach there's a coach in South Africa they know him as the GOAT of African coaching. This is the last coach I want us to talk about. Ujingles every time iChiefs iba senkingeni igama lakhe liyavela. Every time iChiefs iba senkingeni igama lakhe. There was a time iSundowns isenkingeni in the beginning of the season. Igama lakhe liyavela. I'm talking about Coach Pitso Mosimane. Do you think the time has finally arrived for Kaizer Chiefs ukuhamba ukuya straight epocketeni ukhipha yonke into ekhona epocketeni ethi Pitso mangabe ufuna ukuzana abantu bakho nayi budget let the glory days come back. What is your take about Pitso Mosimane?
Yeah bona coach I think ubonile ukuthi bengihamba rejecta bonke labo coach. So mina I approve ucoach Pitso Mosimane. Loyo siyamazi one of the best coach in South Africa in Africa and another thing ucoach lona ucoach owazi ukuhlupheka or ipressure ehambisana nokuba ucoach. Siyamkhumbula ukuthi kubafana wahamba buhlungu kanjani izinto ezingekho mnandi but azange give up waya ku Sundowns wafika wawina ama-cup wawina ama-league lapha watshintsha i-Sundowns so qeda bamdelela but then wahamba waya ku-Al Ahly wafike wawina ku-Al Ahly lokwakwinayo then wahamba wayocoacha naphesheya, even though izinto phesheya zingamhambelanga kahle, but I believe ukuthi as a South African coach une philosophy as a coach, and maybe uyazi ukuthi which player I can use ku Kaizer Chiefs, which player I can release ku Kaizer Chiefs to build a strong team. So yeah, I think Coach Pitso Mosimane is the next Kaizer Chiefs coach for 2026-2027 season. And believe me, if Coach Pitso Mosimane is going to Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, nisenkingeni. Yes, I'm scared. I'm scared if bathi Coach Pitso Mosimane ku Kaizer Chiefs. I'm really scared, but yeah, I'm happy on the other side ukuthi ileague yethu mele kube nale competition, kungabi ukuthi kune team ezidominate. So yeah, but then yeah, libo bonke abocoach labo engibaba ubabalile when I missed, I think they all deserve ukuba ku Kaizer Chiefs, because awumjudge umuntu nje ngehistory yakhe. Remember ucoach Wadu ukuthi usuke ku Marumo Gallants, if I'm not mistaken.
Very good point.
Waya ku Pirate angena trophy. IMarumo Gallants idlalela legdeni le. But then now the first season Pirate three trophies. Yeah. So yabo ukuthi you can judge wherever you judge, but at the end of the day, everyone deserves a chance. So we don't know what, maybe those coaches City, they are not good. They can come in and change Kaizer Chiefs. But then remember what, at the end of the day, Tina Singabantu or Singama support or abo coach. Sometimes when we look at the situation, sisebenzisa ama statistic, his number, yabona ukubala ukuthi la kwenzeke 1 2 3, sibuka i-past, then bese siya predicta ukuthi ku future kungenzakalani. So yeah, injalo yona. So but at the end of the day, at the end of the day, as ucoach Sibobo, as supporter ye-football South Africa, going to coach uPitso Mosimane for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes. While you are on that, to come and Coach Pitso Mosimane, let's just give you Coach Pitso Mosimane una 3 CAF Champions League, 1 Mamelodi Sundowns, 2 Al Ahly, 5 PSL titles. Wahamba wayo coach Saudi, wahamba wayo coach Iran. So this is really the goat of African coaching. But then you just said to me, Coach Sibobo Uguti, your best coach here out of the 7 names, including the 8 name and Smith and Dorpeng in Bali. You said that Upitso is the best that we can do. If ever you can say the least best coach, coach out of Labis Babalile, you move coach if we're not Kaizer Chiefs management, if you Bobby right now, you are Bobby, also in the show with ECV or we begin all Gilabis Babalin. He lawyer, Waga, Hugo Bruce, he law was a pyramid, he woman, which coach you feel with ECV or maybe Rulani Mukwena? I don't know. Which one CV on we beg at all out of all these coaches?
Namani msaphinde ukuthi yenge ngayibheka kakhulu ya Benny McCarthy. Yes, as a player uachieve kakhulu umjita, and we are happy for him, but as a coach I think kusamela sebenze, kusamela funde more. Then if City maybe usebenzile, iKenya bekumele ingabi ku CAF, iyodlala iCAF ayidlali. So I think sesenomsebenzi nje kumele kwenza. So best for uBenny, angeke ngayibuka kakhulu iCV yakhe until maybe I achieve something, maybe qualification to CAF or winning a trophy nyana. Yes. So yeah, coach Benny, not ukuthi ngoba ngiyamnyaza or in, but I think ukumletha ku Kaizer Chiefs umphula ispirit, because uzofika adibane nepressure enkulu, then kuzoba buhlungu ama-supporter nasewamthuka amkapa ngezinto amqosha. Phela lo muntu siyamrespect eSouth Africa, legend lala South Africa. So kumele athishwe
Imagine-
ngendlela e-right.
And
Angaphothela.
by the-
Angaphothela kuma-crocodile.
yes, because ama-sources athi, just before ngikunike i-final question, ama-sources athi uBenny uthi yena ngeke i-Kaizer Chiefs if imfuna kumele inokhe kuye, hayi yena ngeke afake i-CV. If imfuna kumele inokhe kuye. So naye uyazizwa amandla uCoach Benny, but hey, final question. If you are Bobby Motaung, it's Monday morning. Ufonela bani ukuthi I need you.
Ayijiki vele. I think ukhona la South Africa, so ngifonela yena vele ukuthi baba bamba iteksi uze la i-natural. So yeah, ayijiki. Thathi call.
Yeah.
Ufonela uPitso Msimane nangabe imateksi awahambi. Uyambolthela vele.
Today for Soccer 360. Please drop your comment, drop your like, make sure that you just you press on the notification button and subscribe. Until then, sizobonana with Coach Bobo now and then, and Soccer 360. Tada.
Coach Bobo lapha kumantombazane ngiyabona ngathi yamarabeza kahle, but yeah, Coach Bobo khona lapha mabadinga ucoach.
Kaizer must hire Coach Bobo. Kaizer Chiefs must hire Coach Bobo for the Kaizer Chiefs ladies.
Yeah, for the Kaizer Chiefs ladies, Coach Bobo, one of the coach who achieved kakhulu eWitbank and
top from Mpumalanga. That's not even a lie. Coach Bobo achieved a lot. Top from Mpumalanga in terms of the ladies soccer. Coach Bobo, sharp, and to all our viewers. Siyabonga.
All right, thanks, coach.